We're still getting stuff ready for the hurricane. Still don't know if we're going to stay or go. It changed course for worst case scenario, coming in approximately West Palm Beach and straight up the East Coast. So I did get my wheels chalked, but I haven't filled my tanks yet because we may be getting out of town. Depends on where the storm goes tonight. Lower down my tongue as low as possible. Got the house all boarded up. Still got to bring a few items inside. Neighborhood, a lot of people has already boarded up and doing the same thing we're doing, guessing where the storm's going to be going. So we'll have to see how it sits. Do got it up against the house, which is a good thing. Backyard's pretty much ready to go. Just got to get the swings in also. I got one more board for the front door. So once we make a decision where we're staying or going, if we're going, that board's going up also. So we'll let you know how it goes and where we go. Thanks for watching the RV Dog channel.